Hi, grade 3. I'm Miss Mansay from Learner's Teacher Command channel. Today I will continue. Unit 10, and I will continue revising on Unit 10 and start Unit 11. Start revise Unit 11. But before I will go to our revise today, I would like to say, don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel. Let's go to our revise today. Last class, we stopped here in this part, phonics sound. Let's read these words to read this. The phonics. Ja this is the sound of ja, like this. We have change, bandage, change, energy, danger, village, giraffe. I will repeat and repeat the pronunciation after me, and repeat after me. Change, energy, danger, bandage, village, giraffe. Let's go to answer the activities below this tab. This unit, below this unit. Space has a magnetic needle. We took this before in Discover. Something has a magnetic needle, which things that has magnetic needle. Can you tell me which things that has magnetic needle? Without thinking, it's compass. Can attract other metals. What? Magnet. Magnet has two poles. We took this part. We took it in Discover. If you return to the video of the Discover that I explained the forces, you can see this. Here is pull, push, give, force, things, four things. Two words, not forwards. Towards you, it will be pure. A force that slows down the object is called friction. Force moves forwards. The last one, the previous one is towards. Here is forward. So forward, it will be what? Push, excellent. I'm listening to segment. Push. Magnets are used to space information in computers. Magnets used for what? To make to store information on computer. Yes. We use magnet. Yes, we use the magnet to store information on computer. We can do A or N exercise, experiment, game in science lab. In science lab, we use experiment. Let's go to another one here. Here is this is the if conditional. As we told you, the first part is in the present, and the next part will be will plus the infinitive form. Let's do this exercise with each other. Here is she will win the match. Okay, here we will plus the infinitive form. So the answer will be what? If she plays. Why I put plays here? Grade 3. Well, you can say why Miss Iman put S, because as we told before that she is singular and singular text S. Okay, so the answer it will be if she plays well. If she plays well, she will win the match. If you go to the shop, you will buy. Can you say buy? Wrong. Why you can say buy? Saying any verb except the instant verb, as we told you before, that modals always followed by infinitive form. If we write the tense in any tense except the infinitive form, the answer it will be wrong, and we took 0 in the exam. So you must know that modals always followed by what? Always followed by the infinitive form. So the answer here it will be will buy. If he don't doesn't go to the way, he will get lost. So here is will get lost. Will is used in the present form. So the answer in the first part it will be also in the present form. So I will he what won't wrong, don't wrong. Why? Because if I have I and you and they and we, that don't. So here is this is singular, and there's not a verb without singular is negative. So the answer will be doesn't go that way. He will get lost. Here is the if conditional as a question. What will did you do if you get lost? So here is if you get lost. So in this part is in present. So the first it will be what will you do? What will you do if you get lost? What will you do if you here is will missing here. In the next one, it will be what will you do get if you get. So here is the sentence the same, but here Miss will and here Miss get. Let's go to another one. If you don't understand something, your teacher will help you. So there is don't in the present. So the next part it will be will plus the infinitive form. Let's do here subject plus verb plus object. As we talked before, this is the rule of the sentence in the rearrange. But sometimes we can say in this event we have teacher. No, in the question we make another. We use this sentence, but we invert the verb instead of subject. Let's answer this question. Button will push. What if I this happen? So the answer it will be what happened, what happened, what happened. If I push what, the answer it will be what happened, what happened. What happened? If I push, if I what happened? What happened? If I what will sorry what will happen? Sorry, what will happen? Mistake here. What will happen if I push this? What will happen? So the answer it will be what will happen. What will happen? What will happen? Here, what will happen if I push this button? What will happen if I push this button? If I push this button, I push this button. I put the question mark and take the button. I will answer two sentences and I leave the rest to do it as home. Can if X-ray bones take picture? An X-ray, so the answer it would be an X-ray, an X-ray an X-ray, an X-ray can take a picture, can take pictures of bones, can take pictures of bones. Pictures can take pictures of bones. Let's go to another one. Let's go to another one here. I will leave this one to do it as a homework. Let's go to another one here. Here is if we have sentence always can saying us when they explaining if from years ago. They can say if you study hard you will succeed. If you study hard you will get high marks. So this sentence is the same as we learned before, as we learned previously in the previous days, as we learned us the if conditional in the school, in our schools from many years. I don't know. I don't want to tell from how many years because I don't know to. I don't want to tell you my age. Okay. You study hard, you get high marks. So the answer it will be if you study hard, if you study hard, if you study hard, you will get high marks. If you study hard, if you study hard, if you study hard, you will get high marks. If you study hard, you will get high marks. You will get. You can say you can write will as as W I double L, or can make a abbreviation like this. You will get high marks. You will get high marks. You will get high marks. The answer is if he doesn't use a map, you will get lost. Will not. So the answer it will be if if you if you if if he doesn't use a map, he will he will get he will get lost. So the answer it will be if he use a map, you will not get lost. If he if he uses a map, if he uses a map, you will not get lost. If you use a map, he will not get lost. He will not get lost. He will not, or he won't. You can say, I write it as it is, or can write as abbreviation. But if it's written like this, so I write like this. You will not get lost. You will not get lost. Okay. Not get lost. And I will put the full stop at the end of this. So if he uses a map, he will not get lost. Okay. Correct the mistake here. The mistake here is what? If you go to Cairo, they will visit the pyramids. If you go to Cairo, you're not Cairo, Giza. So it means Giza. I think here is the comma here. If they go to Cairo, they will visit the pyramids. So here is comma here. Okay. Let's go to another one. Let's go to another one. I can space a call. I can here. I can do what? I can here. I can push. I can push because he move it forward. Okay. He is moved. He moved forward. Here is moved the what? Moved forward. So he moved forward. Here is because they moved it forward. If you don't wear a jacket, if you don't wear a jacket, he will be cold. If you don't wear a jacket, you will be cold. Okay, let's go to another one. keep in touch. There is type of communication as we took the same lesson in Discover. If you return to the videos of Discover, you can remember what we told in this part. But I will explain here again in Connect Plus. Types of communication in the past. We have communication in the past and communication nowadays. We comparing what is the difference between in the past and nowadays. Here is telegraph. Telegraph is a tool that that used as old way to send messages to others in different governorates. Radio, we have television, typewriter, telephone. Here's types of communication now. We have cell phone, we have laptop, we have World Wide Web. This is the World Wide Web. That is written www dot in when we go to any website, we can write this www dot anything .com. Okay. Important expressions and prepositions. We have here important expressions and prepositions must be studied as it is. We have look at. That sounds complicated. Refer to. Used to communicate. It looks difficult. Parts of computer here. We have CPU. We have keyboard. We have monitor, printer, mouse, external hard drive. Let's know every part and know what is the function of this part. We have storage. Storage, this keeps information for a long time, often in a hard drive. Central processing unit, CPU. This is the brain of the computer. It makes the computer follow instruction. Memory, the memory keeps information for a short time, so the CPU can use it. We have here transportation. We have here train, boat, aeroplane, taxi, electric car, bike, Ferrari, bus, subway, high-speed train, on foot, steam train, horse and cart, the first car. Let's go to another one here. Pros and cons. Pros and cons. Pros and cons means advantage and disadvantage. Okay, advantage and disadvantage. There is advantage and disadvantage. Okay, pros, cons, but busy, traffic, pollution, cheap, and expensive is opposite word. Okay, we have here life skills. High-speed train can use magnets and go very fast. Electric car was invented in 1996. A horse with cart is an old-fashioned type of transportation. Here is we talk about a lesson. I think it's it's not difficult. It's more difficult. More difficult. Okay. Than things we talked before. Here is a affirmative statement of the passive voice. What is the passive voice? Passive voice is called as in Arabic. We talk in Arabic المبني للمجهول. But here in English, here is the one who done something, and I don't know which one do this something. Okay, let's go to study this example and learn about this lesson. We drink milk every day. So there is subject, verb, and object. So the answer it will be milk is drunk by us. So I would like to say something here in passive voice. Passive voice related and must be kept the subcolon of the irregular verbs. Grade 3, you must keep the irregular verbs by heart. Why? Because it's important in our English. The irregular verbs in English is the same as timetable in mathematics. You can't answer any sentences in English without studying the second column and the third column of irregular verbs. And I would like and I repeat again that passive voice depended on the third part of the regular verb. You must keep the third type very well. Okay, told you more and more, and I repeated more and more. Okay, grade 3. The teachers the teachers help the new student. So the answer it will be what? There is subject, verb, object. So I will start by which one? By object here. The new student. So help here is in what? In simple tense. So I put is and I put the verb in the past participle of the verb. But here this is regular verb added ed only like this. The new student is help, but I would like to don't debate that is giving you regular verb can give you irregular verb. So must study the irregular verb very hard. Okay, grade 3, you must study it very hard. I will tell you. I will take later, and I hope to have. I hope to have paper and pencil and write it with me when I told you later after this page. The new student is helped by teachers. So there is help is in present form. So I put is and I put help in the past participle of the verb, and I put by the teachers at the end of the sentence. There is the active sentence, subject, verb, and object. The teachers help the students. So the students here, it will be are because it's plural, are helped by the teachers. In negative form, we have isn't and aren't. Like what? Ben doesn't walk the cat. The cat isn't walked by Ben. They don't make sandwiches here. Sandwiches aren't made here. Does Ben walk the dog? So I can this is have steps, but we took it without steps here. We have here we say we can answer. Ben walks the dog. So we took the subject here. The dog. The dog is walked by Ben. So is the dog walked by Ben? How do they make the cookies? They make the cookies. So the cookies are made by them. So how are the cookies made? This is the condition of it. This is I would like to keep grade. I hope to keep grade 3. You must keep this point. Okay. Have write, wrote, written, made, sent, see, saw, seen, grow, grown. Read, read in pronunciation only like but read written like as the same, but we have a different pronunciation. We say read, read, drink, drank, come, came, come, do, did, done, drive, drove, driven, eat, ate, eaten, understand, understood, take, took, taken, go, went, gone, he, am, is, are, was, were, been, cut, put. I will repeat after me, okay? I repeat it again. Write, wrote, written, make, made, send, see, saw, seen, grow, grown, read, read, drink, drank, come, came, come, do, did, done, drive, drove, driven, eat, ate, eaten, understand, understood, take, took, taken, go, went, gone, am, is, are, was, were, been, cut, put. We have another type of passive voice in the past form. Let's go to know more about this. We have Samuel Morris invited Morris school. So the answer here is subject, verb, object. But the verb here is in what? In the past form. So can I use is as in the present simple form? No. Here I will use what? I will use verb to be in the past. Verb to be in the past, it will be was and were. So the answer it will be what? Morse code. Morse code here is invited. So Morse code is singular. So I put was invited by someone else. There is active. Ali ate apples. So apples were eaten as we told in the column in the previous page. Eaten. The past of eat is the past of here is past eat in the past. In the past participle it will be eaten by Ali. Aya sent a message. A message was a message here singular. And I would like to pay attention grade 3 when you are answering in the exam. If there is a message like this or messages, if it come messages, you put was, you put where, and if it's singular, you put was. Okay, you must see if the object is singular or plural. Okay, before you put is or was or will, anything, you must see what is the object here. Is it singular or plural? Like message. Message is singular. If we say message, it will be where. So a message was sent by Aya. Negative, it is object wasn't weren't, but past participle of the verb by subject. Active. Ahmed didn't eat pizza. So pizza wasn't. So why wasn't here? Because here in the past wasn't eaten by Ahmed. Let's go to the phonics again. A plus W. It would be pronounced as what? Draw, straw, win. You win. Draw, straw, you win. A plus U to be AU, like audio message, booth, audio message and booth. We have O plus R, Morse code and short. Let's go to another to answer the activity. A telegraph, a computer, mobile phone, computer, mobile machine is the first way of sending message. Which is the first way of sending message? Telegraph. Without thinking, we use cell phone, telephone, radio to make a video call. All of us, when we make a video call, we use what? We use cell phone. In the past, people use laptops. In the past, laptop isn't available. Cell phone isn't available, so we can use what? Can use telephone and can use the telephone and and they is connected with each other. Today, I think the social media cut the connection between people. But telephones in the past can connect people with each other. Okay, the airplane, Ferrari, subway can go on water. On water, which one? Ferrari, not airplane, not subway, because subway is underground and airplane is in the air. A or A, electric car, steam train, taxi, use fuel, use the fuel, fossil fuel, steam, steam train, use fuel, steam train, steam train, steam train, steam train. The plane, train, taxi flies high in the sky. High in the sky it would be plane. Using a bike is cheap. A storage memory printer keeps information for long time. For long time, it will be what? Think with me. It will be what? Which one is it keeps for long time? Storage. Storage is for long time. For shorter time, it will be memory. Here is not short time. Long time, it will be storage. Storage. Okay. Let's answer the question below. The photos M is are uploaded onto a website. Photos here is singular or plural? It's plural. So I can say M wrong. Can say is wrong. It would be are. Emails are from computers and smartphones are sent. Sorry, are sent. Are sent. Correct. I don't want to I don't want to speak any word in Arabic. Okay, I would like to speak English during the selection. Are do has typewriters used today? So here is today. So I use what? I use the present form. Can say typewriters used today. So it will be what? Are. because you can't say do. Why? Because this is passive form. So I use are. Are typewriters used today? Letters are space on paper. Are wrote? Wrong. Right? Wrong. It will be written. Why? Because as we told you, the passive voice, it will be was, where, was, where, is, are, and so on. Is, are, plus the past participle of the verb. So letters here are what are written. Morse code was what was developed. The telegraph machine was invited. As we told, this sentence is the below the page is the previous page in the previous page. The telegraph machine was invited. Was invited means that is invited and invited. So I talk about something in the past, something in the past and ended. The first email sent. So here is the first email can be is was where no it will be was sent in 1971. Message sent by a telegraph machine was what was called a telegram. Here is the rearrange. Let's answer. Let's answer the questions here. Here's subject plus verb plus object. It will be what? So here is people. So the subject it will be people. Send. Messages. Send messages. People send messages. Send messages. To communicate together. To communicate together. To communicate together. Okay. To communicate together. Let's do another one. Written and letters sent where. So it will be the letters written and the letters were written and sent. The first had the wheels car three. The first car had three wheels. Okay, I will leave the two sentences as on. Let's go to answer the questions below. I will answer some of them, and I will leave the rest to do it as one. Okay. Here is written the verb that be in the past participle form. Sometimes written and sometimes and sometimes tell you to do it as to do it by yourself. Okay. So we must know that the passive voice is the rule of passive voice is we must put the verb in the past participle of the verb. Okay. Here is people see videos on the internet. See. So I will subject, and this is verb, and this is object that I will start with. So the answer it will be videos. Videos. So the tense here is not in present. So it will be are. Videos are seen. Are seen. Videos are seen by by people on the internet. By people on the internet. on the internet. I send emails from the computer. So I will start by emails. Emails sent here is in the past or present, is in the present. So it will be is sent. So emails. Emails is plural or singular is plural. So it will be are sent. Are sent by me. Sent. Are sent. Sent by me from the computer. Sent by me from the computer. From the computer. From the computer. I will tell you this, and you can oral, and you can do it written as a home. Okay, this one, and I will leave it to do it as a home. We have compute. Sorry, we have computer. A computer is made of metals. So here is computers. Computer use computers, but without we omit a computer and use computer. So computers, it will be computers are made. So it will be computers are made. I will leave the rest to do it as a homework. I will see you and you can do it as a homework. Here is I listen to what I listen. I can listen to a read to the radio. To the radio. I have a new cell phone. After I finish the video, I will leave the link of this booklet on below the video to answer the questions that I told you do it as a homework and send it to me correctly. Okay. Today I will stop here on unit 11. Next class I will start unit 12. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Goodbye.